We're doing a 20-year sign replacement program, and the overheads on the street names is what we're starting with. We got about 730 of them citywide, so we've redesigned them and we're starting to install them now. The overheads needed changed. They've been faded. They've been out since like 2000, 2005. They were the oldest ones, and they just needed replacing. They're 2 or 3 times bigger than the long ones we do. They hang up on the signalized intersection poles, so they require a bucket truck and guys going up in the air. A lot more work than your typical signs on the street.
This is what we're gonna do. This is the first page where it comes up, for as the design, and I make any adjustments to it, for as the length, and make sure that the color is correct and everything is placed in the right. Then we're gonna send it over here to the printer.
It is made of a different little material. It's different material. It's laminated now, so the fading and stuff won't happen. It should last longer, and they're redesigned with the logo on them. But we're going to try to have them all done by the end of this year. It's a good task. But I think we can get it done though.